I'm Karson.
And I'm Trevor.
We are on the Castle Robotics team in Newburgh, Indiana.
For today's STEM kit, we're going to be making paper circuits.
This kit includes 2 free templates, 2 extra pieces of paper in case you want to make your own circuit, 3 LED lights, a battery, a pair of scissors, and your copper tape.
To explain how the circuit in our paper circuit works, you will have your battery on this gray spot here, and these yellow lines represent where you're going to put your wires, or the copper tape. You would line up the copper tape here, and then once you've completed your circuit, you will fold it over, and this part of the wire will be able to connect to the other side of the battery, allowing energy to flow through the entire system.
Alright, so with your lights, you have the positive side and you have the negative side. The negative side is a shorter wire, and the longer side is the positive.
You'll want to lay your copper wire of correct length on your yellow lines. Maybe make it look a little prettier than I did. And just keep going throughout the different lines.
Alright, so we're going to poke the lights through from the back. And then you pull them through. You bend the prongs all the way over. Both sets of copper wire. And then repeat with your second light of any choice.
And make sure that the length prongs stay on the same side of the wire.
Like I did not just do. We're going to again bend the wires over. And then we're going to take some nice little pieces of tape and go over top of the wires. And tape that over the wires. Hold the wires down. I'm gonna get some more little strips. Or just use a big long one if you have extra, that works too. Once they're all covered and properly stuck down, you can then attach the battery. And the battery has a little handy dandy little plus sign on them for the positive, and then the negative side does not have anything on it. So plus side goes up. So if we tape this,
Then after you get everything lined up, you can fold it over and test to see if it works. In this scenario, it does not. In these scenarios, you can test and kind of troubleshoot to see what possibly could be wrong. First thing I would recommend is checking to make sure all of your copper wire is properly sealed down, which ours is, so then it's most likely our lights are not oriented correctly and the positives are probably on the negative, in which you just want to flip the battery over and then try again. There you go. We hope you enjoyed this activity as much as we did.
check out our channel for more STEM activity videos.
Thank you for your Doritos for unofficially sponsoring this video.